Hello and welcome to the first video in this series. This video is going to be the #1 mistake that beginners make in yoga and what you can do to fix it. Hi, my name is Rebecca. I've been teaching yoga for over 20 years and practicing for over 30. I can tell you, in my opinion, the most important thing in your yoga practice is the breath. I know, it seems simple and obvious, but that's what it is. It is not how you look in the pose. It's not necessarily how you feel in the pose. It's about how you're breathing in and out of the pose and as you hold the pose. What do I mean by that? Okay, so let's fix your breath. Your breath needs to be coming in and out through the nose. Now there are other formats of breathing, unless, let's say that's the default, unless your teacher specifies otherwise. The default is in and out through the nose. Okay, that's #1. #2, make sure it is even on the inhale and even on the exhale. How do you know? There are only 2 styles of yoga traditionally that teach a breath count with each pose. I teach one of them. I do it that way because I think the breath is the most important part, and that style of yoga was the most transformational for me. So that being said, I want to teach from experience and I want to share that experience with you. So I encourage you to make the inhale even with the exhale. If you're at home by yourself and you found another teacher that doesn't count the breath, do it for yourself. Inhale for 3 or 4 or 5 and exhale for the same amount. Okay? You understand. All right. I hope that helps you in your home practice. If you have not yet, consider joining my program. You get a 30-day free trial. I teach you how to practice at home like a professional. It's called Practice Like a Pro. You get to practice live with me once every week, and there's also an interactive community where you can talk with people just like yourself and talk to me. All right, be sure to click the button below. If you have not yet, make sure that you're subscribed and you're checking your inbox, because there will be more videos coming to you. And the next one, I'm going to teach you how to do Ujjayi breath, which is what I use in my vinyasa practice. It's also what I use even when I'm teaching clients therapeutically. All right, be well. I'll see you on the next video.